What's the meaning of clarion call? Clarion call. Clarion call.
Clarion call. Clarion call. The term clarion call refers to a strong and urgent request or demand for action, often associated with a particular cause or movement. It is a call that is intended to inspire people to take action and make a change. The term comes from the loud, clear sound of a trumpet, which was traditionally used to signal important events or rallies. When someone issues a clarion call, they hope to galvanize others into action and create momentum for a cause or movement.